something's doing something. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys know I'm a lash girly. I love lashes, and I'm so excited to try ENVY. Very excited. They have a couple of different, of course they have a bunch of different lashes, but I have 3 that I'm hoping to try. These are their adhesives for the lashes. This is a waterproof, and this is a pro eyelash glue. I'm going to try both. Not today though. And I just got finished just doing a basic makeup look. And these are the 3 options that I have. This is the MIL01. This is the 06. And that's the 11. I'm going with the 11. I like all of them though. I feel like the 01, I have to see them on, because a lot of times with lashes, you think they're gonna look one way until you put them on and it looks something totally different. I do love wispies though, so that's why I'm going with the 11. And these are from the Mink Impact Lite, and these are also all vegan lashes. And these are new, so I'm excited to try them. The MIL just stands for the Mink Impact Lashes, and it's 01, 06, and 011. I'm going with 011. Super excited. And I'm actually going to use the professional glue that they have. We are going to, I have a mirror, so I'm going to be like in and out of the frame. I love that they have a clear band, and they are 100% 3D Mink Lite material. I'm opening it. I don't know if there's like an easy way to open lashes, but I just went for it. Ooh, these are pretty. These are pretty. Those are really, ooh, those are really, really pretty. Oh, I envy. These are so pretty. These are so pretty. I'm very excited about trying these. I probably should have, while I was doing all this talking, put a little dab of glue like on the rim. I'm not going to size these up. I'm just gonna add the glue. Add the glue to the front of this. Yes, we are keeping it 100% real. And this is not open, so I gotta open it. I'm just gonna use the back of this to get some of the lash glue off. So I don't even think that I'm gonna have to utilize that. This is the first lash. I'm just going to, they look my size, that's why I didn't even shape them up. And I'm going to, I shouldn't have did that. I forgot I had it at the tip. Okay. Oh, okay. It's doing what it needs to do. All right, let's see about the next lash. It's doing what it needs to do. So I'm not even mad at it. Not at all. Definitely super cute, very wispy, very short also. They're not like super dramatic, which I like. I like both though. I do love a dramatic lash, so I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, I love a dramatic lash, but I also like it where it's like right to the point. Like it's not, you know, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like dramatic, but it's not, like this is very light. I don't even feel like I have lashes on. It's a lot of, like, especially when you go with like the heavier lashes, ooh, it feels like have lashes on. It's like weird. What I've learned is that this glue dries very fast. That's a good thing. It don't mess around. It dries really fast, which I wasn't expecting. So a lot of like lash glues, they take forever to dry, and you gotta like let it sit and let it do all this other stuff. Not with this one. Let me try to, and this one coming off too. All right, I gotta do it all over. First impressions is that the lash glue dries very fast and it's not nothing to be played with at all. It's not playing around. I feel like I fight with my lashes. I don't know why. Like, those were on perfect. It's just I didn't realize the glue dries so fast. Which, kudos to them. I don't know. I'm gonna wear them and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about them. The glue dries really fast, and I have never... Oh, it says shake well. Maybe that's the problem. I ain't shake the thing up the first time. It does have quick. It says quick drying in seconds. They weren't playing. What do you think? I need to touch up my makeup, and that's no fault to them. Me and lashes, baby, this is what we do. We fight. And people are, oh, you always wear lashes. I make it look easy because I always have them on, but trust me, it wasn't. A lot of times it's not even one try. Sometimes it's not like I'll blink and be like, oh, I don't like the way this is positioned. It's uncomfortable. It don't even be the brand. It's not the brand. It's me. Like something's pinching me. Something's doing something. Something's usually pinching me or doing something and it's uncomfortable, so then I gotta take it off. That's just my own battle. I have to get used to that glue because it says dries in seconds and it really meant it dries in seconds. I gotta get used to that aspect, but I do like the lashes. They do feel lightweight. I just gotta get used to them. That's all. Just gotta get used to them, but I do like the way that they feel. I do like the way that they look. I do like the glue dries fast. I just gotta figure it out on my own. Cause baby, when they said fast, I remember I used to have to blow it and stuff, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. We'll see how it goes today, and I'll keep you updated at some point about the lashes and which ones are my favorite. But thank you so much for checking out this video, and I'll chat with you in the next one.